They had a true love, but they just didn't know how to talk to one another, so the feelings couldn't show.